who of all time Bollywood actress, who are the top 5 greatest Bollywood actresses of all time according to 30,000 people? Who are the top 5? Rajiv, name 1 or 2 that will be in the top 5.
Well,
As per, not your choice, the people of India would choose.
well, according to me, Waheeda Rahman and Kareena Kapoor.
Waheeda Rahman, Kareena Kapoor, okay.
No, I would be very, very surprised and also very sad if it's not Waheeda Rahman.
Waheeda Rahman. And another one in the top 5?
Nutan.
Nutan.
I
Shekhar?
think Madhuri Dixit should be there. I'll be surprised if she's not there because people don't remember the
It is
earlier
a slight-
ones.
it- yes,
yes.
there
so
is
no,
a
you know, I'd be
slight
surprised.
bias
If,
towards-
I'll be surprised if I'd say Shamila Tagore is not there, but I suspect the list will be much more contemporary. So you'll
Yes.
find your Karinas and Katrinas and
Right.
the rest.
Right.
I would say Waheeda Rahman, Madhubala, and with the name that we just took. Well, I would say even Smita Patil, perhaps. Waheeda
So she
Rahman.
was a great, great actress.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look at what 30,000 people across India chose as the greatest Indian Bollywood actresses of all time. Number 5, Rekha. Number 4, jointly Madhuri Dixit and Kajol. Number 3, the modern influence Katrina Kaif. Kareena Kapoor, number 2. Rajiv, you're right. And number 1, Hema Malini. What did Lalu say about Hema Malini?
Why did you deny her the ticket?
Well, that is an amazing and I think a very, very popular choice. Clear winner, Hema Malini. And joining us is the one and only Hema Malini. Thank you very much, ma'am. Congratulations, all-time greatest Bollywood actress. All time. Number 1. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And frankly, I'm not surprised at all. And I don't think anybody here is. Now, I'd love to ask you 1 or 2 things, a bit unfair questions. Give us one
Yes.
or two. Give us one of your dialogues, memorable dialogues that you recall and that you remember fondly.
No, I will tell you that. First, let me say that I am quite excited that I have been nominated. And other one is I can't believe that I am supposed to be,
You are 100%.
The whole
This is an
30,000
all India
people
survey.
have
100%.
elected. All India survey. I am
Yes.
so happy about it. And about my dialogue, maybe the Basanti has made me so popular. People
Right.
still
What
can't
it is.
forget her.
So do you remember anything from that? Any particular moment that you can recall?
That I think the whole country knows. Chal dhanno. That's the one dialogue I have to keep saying that everywhere,
Say it
wherever
once
I
again.
go.
Say it once again.
Chal dhanno.
Any
That's
other
too
one
much,
also?
to
One more.
ask me to say the same dialogue. Huh?
One more.
Some other? One more dialogue.
Yeah.
One
Just
more dialogue.
anything that
What?
comes to mind. I know it's a bit difficult.
I can't remember anything, but because I have done so many films, the Chal Dhanno has become so popular. So whenever anybody asks, it just comes.
Okay.
But I have worked quite hard.
Okay. One other thing.
Get this name.
I know you sing beautifully. So sing us one of your favorite songs.
Me sing.
Sing, yes.
I'm
I
not a
know you
singer.
sing beautifully.
If you ask me to
Yes,
dance, I
yes.
can do it.
This
I
I'm
can
not
right
letting
away,
you
I
get
can
away
dance.
with.
But
You
if you
sing
ask me to
beautifully.
sing,
Sing. I know
it's
you
terrible.
sing
People
beautifully.
will just say, "My God!" But at least if I sung when I was younger, would have been better voice. Now my voice has become very heavy.
Okay, just a little bit. Just sing us a little bit because we know you have a beautiful voice.
Oh, okay. Okay, I will sing something which I really like it, which
Yes.
I think suits the situation also. नाम गुम जाएगा, चेहरा ये बदल जाएगा, मेरी आवाज ही पहचान है, गर याद रहे हो, नाम गुम जाएगा.
लेकिन उनका चेहरा तो बदला ही नहीं है.
Beautiful, really
Very nice.
outstanding, fantastic.
Very nice. She has a beautiful voice.
और नाम भी गुम नहीं हुआ नंबर
चेहरा बदला
चेहरा बदला ही नहीं है।
और नाम भी गुम नहीं हुआ, नंबर 1 पे आ रही, नाम भी कहाँ गुम हुआ?
नाम गुम नहीं हुआ
Absolutely.
लेकिन गुम जाएगा ना.
पार्लियामेंट से लोगों ने गुम
Sometime.
कर दिया आपको बस.
Now you're number
नाम तो
one in
आपका नहीं गुम
history.
हुआ, पार्लियामेंट से गुम कर दिया इन लोगों ने.
Ma'am, you are number 1 in history. Yes, it's no joke. Shekhar?
So,
Well, I
so
think,
sweet. I'm very, very, very thankful to everybody.
हेमा जी मेरे साथ ये I have Sudhindra Kulkarni sitting next to me. I think he is now realizing what they missed out on. How can they not have you in Rajya Sabha? Sudhindra, answer that question.
You know, she is in the hearts of the people.
Rajya Sabha,
Much
my-
more than the Rajya Sabha.
Good answer.
Yeah, again.
She is responding, I think.
Yes. Go ahead. You were about to
What
say
is it?
something.
Tell me, please.
Hema ji, you were about to say something.
Want to say something? I mean, he was just asked me about Rajya Sabha. That my term got over. I'm saying maybe if I'm again elected, I'll love to come back.
No, I said,
Love to come
Oh,
back.
love to come
Love to
back.
come back.
so Sudhindra,
I love to come back, but at the moment I'm doing a lot of other work right now. So it's a good break for me to do my other things, you know. Then I'll be back.
Right. It is a good break. I think you should.
You know, what I like most about Hemaji is that she is a symbol and a force of national integration. She came from the south and she is the most popular actress in
All
Hindi
across.
cinema.
Right. Hema Malini ji, I wanted to tell you, you are number 1 in history of Bollywood in India, and Amitabh Bachchan is number 1 among actors, male actors. What do you think of him, Amitabh Bachchan?
He is. He is a great actor. No one can match him. He is simply superb. And I feel so proud that I had a lovely chance to work with him in so many films.
Right,
He is my
right.
colleague.
And which is your favorite Hindi movie of all time?
Hindi movie of all time. I love Mughal Azam, Ganga Jamna,
Right.
and of course Sholay.
Yeah.
Of course.
And which is your favorite politician of all time?
Politics. There are so many of them.
If you say one, everybody else will be upset. You better not say any living one.
Yeah, I better not. I keep my mouth shut. Yes, I love everybody.
God bless you. God bless you. Thank you very much for joining us. Congratulations, and you sing
Okay.
absolutely
Thank you so
beautifully.
much.
Don't you agree?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, and good night.
India's #1 news app. Just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.